See, distance z traveled by particle is defined as, first one, you all can see question number 1 of second section, that is page number 29.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Z is traveled by particle is defined as alpha plus beta t, frequently asked this type of question, plus gamma t square. What is dimension of gamma? See, whenever it is given, something is given by something plus something plus something. That means all are same type of quantity. Like if I add 2 Newton plus 3 Newton plus 4 Newton, then only I can say total will be 9 Newton. So whenever you are adding any number of terms, then all terms are like terms. That means for me, Z is similar to gamma t square. Z means distance, t means time. So gamma will be Z upon t square. Distance can I write as L raised to 1 in dimension? Before? Distance can we write as L1 in dimension?
Yes.
And time as t, mass as m. So this becomes now Z is distance, that is L1, time is t raised to 2. So my answer will become L1 t minus 2. L1 t minus 2 is required option for this given question. L1 t minus 2 is given in C. We are doing from page number 29, first term.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Z is alpha plus beta t plus gamma t square. Z means distance. So whenever your final result is distance, that means rest all terms are equivalent to distance. So Z is same as alpha, Z is same as beta t, Z is same as gamma t square. Now gamma t square is Z. From that gamma is Z upon t square, which is L1 upon t raised to 2. That means L1 t raised to minus 2. Once you are done, tell me so that I can start with second one.
Done, sir.
Okay.
No, sir. Done, sir.
Suppose refractive index is given by mu equals to a plus b upon lambda square, where a and b are constant and lambda is wavelength, then dimension of b will be. Refractive index ka dimension is what?
Dimensionless.
Dimensionless, correct. So this a is also dimensionless, beta upon lambda square is also dimensionless. So mu is b upon lambda square. Therefore, b is mu into lambda square. Mu has got no dimension. Lambda square means L2. So it is equivalent to area. L2 means meter square area. D option.
Done, sir.
Done? Others have also done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Third one. This we have done once again. See, potential energy of particle varies with distance from fixed origin as U equals to A root x upon x square plus b, where A and B are dimensional constant, then dimensional formula of AB together is how much? Again, I'm telling very important sum. See, whichever quantities you are adding, can we add force with velocity? No. Huh? Force you can add with force, velocity with velocity, mass with mass, length with length. So this x square, since it is added with b, can I say they are similar quantity, dimension wise they are same thing? First part clear? B is same as x square because then only you can add. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then u entire will be a root x upon x square. Whether you say x square or you say b, it is one and the same. No need to write both in dimension because it is addition. Reason, if x square is meter square, b is meter square plus meter square is something meter square. So only 1 meter square we should write, not the other one. If it is into, then we have to write both. So I got left hand side u is right hand side numerator a root x upon denominator addition है, कोई भी एक लिया तो भी चलेगा. So from this a will become u x square upon root x. That means dimension of a will be dimension of u into dimension of x square upon root x. Root x means half. हाफ ऊपर गया तो माइनस हाफ 2 minus half is how much?
3/2.
3/2, correct. So x raised to 3/2. So a into b is energy u x raised to 3/2 into x square. That means m1 L2 T minus 2 is energy. Energy means force into displacement. Force is M1 L1 T minus 2. Displacement L1. So if it is possible, you can by heart and keep in your mind. Energy is same as work, which is M1 L2 T minus 2. And this is 3/2 plus 2. What is 3/2 plus 2? 3/2 plus 2.
7/2.
2 to the 4 plus 3, 7/2. Absolutely true. So m raised to 1. 2 plus 7/2 will become 4. 11/2. T raised to minus 2. This is our required answer of A into B together. M1 L raised to 11/2. T raised to minus 2. So option B. M1 L raised to 11/2 T minus 2. Anybody who has not followed this one? Yes, Amay, you have followed?
Yes, sir. I just putting it down.
Sir, can you explain the step again where you multiplied A into B?
1 minute. Huh? 1. See, we want what answer? A into B ka na?
Yes, sir.
A into B. What we got A as? This one. So I wrote A ka jagah pe A ka value. B is x square. So I wrote x square.
Okay, sir.
Now U means energy. Energy means M1, L2, T minus 2. This is L raised to 7/2. Therefore 11/2.
Done, sir.
Okay. Next is again beautiful sum based on percentage. Everybody has done. Can I clear it off now?
Yes,
Wait a
sir.
minute, sir.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Even lecture I'm recording. In case you get disconnected, I will send this recorded lecture on the common group.
Done, sir.
Fourth one now. Radius of a ball is 5.4 plus or minus 0.2 centimeter. The percentage error in the volume of the ball. See, this first quantity is actual value and this is called its error. So usually we write this as R and this as dr. We want error in volume. Ball is like a sphere. What is volume of sphere?
4 by 3 pi
4
r
by
cube.
3 pi r cube.
4 by 3 pi r cube. So percentage error in volume, this 4 by 3 pi is constant. R cube mein power becomes multiplier. So whenever it is finding error, first you have to write formula of that quantity. Constant will not give any error. If there is power, power becomes multiplier. So 3 times error in R. Percentage error is dr upon R into 100. So 3 into, what is dr? 0.2.
0.2.
Yes, and R is 5.4 into 100. So that plus or minus wala part is actually d of that value. Mass hoga to dm, time hoega to dt, length hoga to dl, and R is the dr. And first value is the actual value. So R ka R, volume ka volume aise. Volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Therefore, percentage error is 3 times percentage error of R. So from this we get V equals percentage error in V is 3 times dr upon R into 100. So 3 into decimal from numerator denominator you can get rid of. एक एक के बाद cancel करेंगे चलेगा. 3 into 18 is 54. 2 9s are 18. 9 1s are 9. ये one remainder. 9 1s are 9. 11.11%. Or they may say approximately 11%. Check what is given. 11 or 11.11?
11.
Yes, we can round off till 11. So correct option A. Completed?
Yes.
Okay. Fifth, see. In the measurement of a physical quantity, x is a square b upon c raised to 1 by 3 d raised to 3. The percentage error introduced in the measurement of quantities A, B, CD are 2%, 2%, 4%, and 5% respectively. Then the minimum amount of percentage of error in measurement of X is contributed by which quantity? मतलब A का error is 2, B error is 2, तो X में सबसे कम error कौन देगा? X में सबसे कम error कौन देगा? So just I am finding error of each quantity. Error of A is 2 times A because power is 2. So it is 2 into 2. A is
Sir, C.
Yeah, correct. Error of B introduced is 1 into 2 is 2. Error of C is 1/3 of 4, matlab 4/3%. Error of D is 3 into 5, 15. सबसे कम, rightly said 4/3 सबसे कम है. So this will give minimum error, that is C. So C will give minimum error. Any doubt, please ask her.
Done, sir.
Okay. Next one we'll see now. Next one, 6. If A equal to B plus C upon D plus E, dimension of B and C are given as M0, L1, T minus 1, M0, L1, T0. Ye dimensions are given of B and C respectively. Then what will be dimension of A, D and E? Dimension of A, D and E. Yes, Trupti, can you see the question properly?
Yes, sir.
A ka dimension is, can I say, similar to B?
Yes, sir.
So B is already given. So is it M0, L1, T minus 1?
Yes, sir.
Mansi,
Yes, sir.
when you add the two quantities, they are like or they are unlike?
Like.
They are like, correct. So can I say my first term and this whole numerator denominator are similar? So A
Yes.
is same as C upon khali D likha to bhi chalega because D and E are like term. A we got, C is given. So can I say D ka dimension is C upon A ka dimension by cross multiplying? Is it
Yes.
okay?
Yes, sir.
Good. So M0, L1, T0 is C and C and A we got M0, L1, T minus 1. So this will become M raised to 0, L1 minus L1 upon L1 means also L0, and this 1 goes up, T raised to 1. So I got A, I got D. D and E are same to same because they are added, isn't it? D is same as E because they are added. So M0, L0, T1. So we got A, we got D, we got E. Check
Option D, sir.
ओके, समझ गया बराबर? क्या डाउट लग रहा है कुछ अभी भी मन में?
समझ गया।
समझ गए सर।
ठीक है, ठीक। ऑप्शन डी। तो ये इंडिविजुअल चैप्टर है, ये चैप्टर का लिंक कोई भी चैप्टर में नहीं। अंडरस्टैंड एंड डू, फास्ट मत करो, स्टार्ट्स में समझ के करना। एक बार समझ गया तो फिर फास्ट स्पीड पकड़ना। पहले पहले घाई करोगे ना तो कॉन्सेप्ट रह जाएगा। हमें फॉलोइंग ऑल द आंसर्स फॉलोड।
Done, sir.
Okay, coming to sum number 7. A wire has mass of 0.3 plus or minus 0.003 gram, radius equals to 0.5 plus or minus 0.005 in millimeter, and length is 6 plus or minus 0.06 in centimeter. The minimum percentage error in the measurement of density is, percentage error in density we have to find. A wire is having radius and length, percentage error in density. What is formula for density?
Mass by volume.
Mass upon volume. And what is volume of a wire? If this is wire, what will be its volume? Can I say area of this cross section into length?
Yes, sir.
So this is A into length. Area is nothing but pi r square because it is circular. So I got now formula of density in terms of mass, radius, length. Now percentage error in density is percentage error in mass 2 times percentage in r plus percentage change in length. So percentage change in mass is dm. This quantity is m. This is dm. This is r. This one is called dr. This is length. This is dm. So dm upon m into 100 plus 2 times dr upon r into 100 plus 1 times dl upon l into 100. Now I know all quantity. I know formula. Only I have to substitute. Please do till that. Then I'm substituting and getting the correct answer. Power becomes multiplier, you have to remember. And all error we add, whether it is into or division. So error of mass, double of error R, error of L, we have to add on. Now I'm putting the values so that we get correct answer. DM is 0.3, 0.003 upon M is 0.3 into 100 plus 2 times TR, which is 0.009.
Sir, 3.
Yes, correct. Absolutely right. Right. Perfect जा रहे हैं. अभी कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया शायद एरर में ना.
Yes, sir.
बस खाली कॉन्फिडेंस इंक्रीज किया ना तो ऑलमोस्ट 90% तो काम हो गया अपना. Now 0.003 into 100 will become 0.3 upon 0.3 plus 2 into this is 0.5 upon 0.5, 6 upon 6. So 1, this will get cancelled. 1 plus 4 है बेटा 4.
Yes, sir, I'm getting 4.
4 is correct. Because that was power, na? 2 into that 4. Eighth is best sum. You'll enjoy doing that, 8th one. Done this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, sum number 8. Most interesting sum. Consider expression f equal to a x sine inverse bt, where f means force, x means distance, t means time, then a into b quantity represents what? Superb. A into b represents what? 4 option दिया. They represent what? Energy. Second option they are saying surface tension, and third option intensity of light, which we forget what is meaning of this generally. Intensity of light and fourth is pressure. See, energy means work, so ये force into displacement. Surface tension means force per unit length. Intensity is energy per unit area per unit time, and pressure is force upon area. Let us check A into B. ये चार में से क्या है? What is meaning of sine inverse 1? Can anybody tell me? What is sine inverse 1?
90 degree.
90 degree. Degree has got any dimension? No.
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 मतलब ये quantity entire BT is dimensionless. तो अगर BT dimensionless है, because ये result number है, तो इसका मतलब B और P एक दूसरे का opposite होना चाहिए ना? तभी तो ये T, see sine inverse of B into T, this BT is a number. Number means dimensionless. Dimensionless, they are inverse of each other. So my first option I can write like this. BT is dimensionless. That means B is 1 upon T. ये हो गया खत्म. तो जिधर भी B है मैं उधर 1 upon T बोलूंगा. तो ये full dimensionless है. तो X is equivalent to whose dimension? F is equivalent to A
X.
into A. Very good. So that means A is F upon X or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now this much to say 90% student know. B is T ka ulta, F is AX, therefore F upon X is A. A into B you will get confused. A is F by X, T is 1 by T. 1 by T मतलब इधर ही दिख रहा है T. But I told it is energy upon area. But we got force upon distance. If I multiply area in numerator, a distance in numerator, as well as in denominator, into 1 by T, distance को x लिया तो भी चलेगा, d लिया तो भी चलेगा. To make it easy, force into displacement, I multiply. What is force into displacement? Is it energy?
Yes, sir.
And displacement मतलब area हो जाएगा ना, because square into 1 by time. So this is equivalent to C, which is intensity, force of energy upon area upon time. Any doubt? See,
Repeat, please.
directly A into B, I got this much. This way you followed? But
Yes,
this
sir.
is not matching with any of this, ना? तो मैंने खाली देखा अरे टाइम तो C में दिख रहा है, लेकिन C में एनर्जी है, तो मुझे मालूम है फोर्स इनटू डिस्टेंस, वर्क मतलब एनर्जी होता है. तो आई मल्टीप्लाइड बाय डिस्टेंस डिवाइडेड बाय डिस्टेंस. Force into distance means energy, and distance into distance is area into 1 upon t. Now this whole quantity is energy upon area upon time. Yes, now followed?
Repeat the starting part.
Which part? Sine inverse wala?
हाँ.
1 minute. Student बोल रहे हैं 1 minute. One minute. फर्स्ट पार्ट ना 1 मिनट सिखाता हूँ. पूरा रब करके फिर से एक बार बताता हूँ. What is sine inverse 1, sine inverse half, sine inverse of 0? Sine inverse 1 क्या होता है? 90 डिग्री ना. हाफ इज 30 डिग्री. तो ये जो अंदर नंबर है, नंबर का कोई डायमेंशन होता है क्या?
No.
नहीं होता है ना. तो दैट मीन्स ये ax साइन इनवर्स ऑफ bt में bt एक नंबर है. नंबर मीन्स डायमेंशन. ओके.
Yes.
सो b डायमेंशन इज 1 अपॉन टाइम का डायमेंशन. तो ये पार्ट खत्म हो गया. नाउ ax must be force because sin inverse bt कुछ नहीं है, no dimension. ax is equivalent to force dimension. ax is equivalent to force dimension क्योंकि इसका तो कुछ भी डायमेंशन नहीं. तो a का डायमेंशन f by x के जितना है. We are interested in ab, so ab will become f by x into 1 by time. अभी ऐसा वाला मुझे एक भी नहीं दिखा ऑप्शन में, खाली टाइम थोड़ा सा दिख रहा है. तो आई टोल्ड आई मल्टीप्लाई बाय डिस्टेंस, आई विल डिवाइड बाय डिस्टेंस. नाउ टेल मी, फोर्स इनटू डिस्टेंस इज वर्क व्हिच इज एनर्जी और नॉट? डिस्टेंस इज एरिया और नॉट? मीटर स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. और ये टाइम, इसको ही क्या बोलते हैं? इंटेंसिटी और नॉट, है ना?
Yes.
देयरफॉर ऑप्शन इज सी.
Sir, I had a question.
हाँ से.
In the previous sheet, which we were doing yesterday, we had done 32 questions, but 10 were remaining.
No, because students are new, na? So directly if difficult we start, they will not understand. So I start.
Okay, sir.
हेलो, हाँ ही ना, आपको क्या बता रहा है वो स्क्रीन पे? नहीं नहीं, हाँ वो शायद नहीं नहीं, आपके इधर से शायद प्रॉब्लम होगा कुछ, क्योंकि मुझे जैसे ही दिखेगा मैं आपको एंट्री दे दूंगा कि मुझे दिख नहीं रहा है बेटा। तो एक बार 2 मिनट रुक के फिर ज्वाइन करो। नहीं नहीं, पूरा बंद कर दो, फिर 2 मिनट के बाद ट्राई करना। और ये कुछ टेंशन मत लो, क्योंकि मैं रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ, ये आपको मैं भेज दूंगा। हाँ हाँ, फिर वो देख के अगर नहीं समझेगा तो मैं आपको क्लियर करा दूंगा डाउट। ठीक है, ठीक। हाँ हाँ,
हो गया सर।
नेक्स्ट पे जाते हैं अभी। नेक्स्ट सम। सम नंबर 9। Just one of you read. Arfat, read. Ninth one.
So
Yeah, read it.
if in the equation p plus a square by v into v minus b is equal to constant, the units of a are
Okay, only A we
9.
want now. Only A
What?
we want now. Only A we want.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see. This is first term P added with this ना. V is volume here. तो किसको ऐड कर सकते हैं? लाइक को क्या अनलाइक को? Whom we can add? Like. So can I say P is similar to A upon V square or not?
Yes.
So A is same as P into V square or not? P means who? Pressure.
Sure.
And pressure means what? Force upon area. Clear?
Yes.
Force का unit can I write dyne? Force unit can I write dyne?
Yes.
Area unit can I write centimeter square? And this is volume का square. Volume means centimeter का cube or not? Not followed.
Yes,
Volume,
sir.
volume is centimeter cube. ये बाहर power 2 रख दिया, और ये area centimeter square क्योंकि CGS में सब. So power means multiply centimeter raised to 6 upon square. So this will become dyne into centimeter raised to 4. I hope followed. Everybody has followed.
Yes, sir.
Solve. P plus A upon V square into V minus B is constant. That means P plus A upon V square are like term. So I just separated them out. A we have to find. P is pressure. Pressure is force upon area. V is volume. Unit of force is dyne. Area centimeter square. Volume centimeter cube. Power 2.
Sir, option B.
Yeah, correct. I'm coming to now 10th if you have done this. Number of significant figure in 0.123631 is how much? See, whenever it is decimal zero wala sum, So 0 has got no meaning if it is not after non-zero. Non-zero मतलब 1 2 3 4 5 6 के बाद होना चाहिए, 7 8 9 के बाद. तो ये पहले वाला 0 का कुछ भी मीनिंग नहीं. लेकिन अगर ऐसा रहता 6.000, then it was meaningful. But before non-zero, after non-zero, it has got no meaning. If with decimal, it should always start after non-zero. So 0 is non-zero. 0 means 0, 0, 0, 0. No meaning. तो कितना सिग्निफिकेंट है बोलो? एज पर रूल 4 सिग्निफिकेंट.
4.
बिकॉज 0 अगर नॉन जीरो के पहले है नो मीनिंग, नॉन जीरो के बाद राइट साइड पे मीनिंग डेसिमल 1. 11. The number significant figures in the number of 4.800 into 10 raised to 4 and 48123.40. अभी देखो कितना सिग्निफिकेंट पूछा है. ये सब जीरो डेसिमल के में है लेकिन नॉन जीरो के बाद है ना. 8 नॉन जीरो होता है ना.
5 and 7.
या करेक्ट. सो 1 2 3 4 5 सिग्निफिकेंट, पावर का कुछ मीनिंग नहीं है. एंड ये 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 5 and 7 significant figures because here these zeros are after non-zero. See, after non-zero. ठीक है. 5 and 7. 5 and 7, which is option B. 12. 12th, will you try on your own?
Yes.
ट्राई करो. ऐसा मैंने शायद एग्जाम में भी दिया था. See, root is only with C. रूट C खाली लेना, फिर देखो क्या आता है. 12. P is a raised to 3 b square root C into D. So percentage error in P is 3 times of A plus 2 times of B plus half of C plus only D.
13%.
Yes, okay. 3 into.
13.
Yeah, correct. That's simple multiplication now. 3 into 1 plus 2 into 3 plus half into 4 plus D is 2%. So 2. So when you add this, it is 3 plus 6 plus 2 plus 2, 13%. Next. Everybody has followed this? Can I start 13?
Yes.
Oh. From number 13. If energy E, momentum P, energy E, momentum means linear momentum P, and force F are selected as fundamental unit, then dimensional formula for mass in new system will be how much? अभी ऐसा दिया, इसका मतलब ऐसा लिखना है आपको. मास डिपेंड्स अपॉन एनर्जी मोमेंटम फोर्स with some power x, y, z. So this side I can say m raised to 1 L0 T0 is energy. Energy means m1 L2 t minus 2 raised to x. अभी जो भी आएगा ना x y z वो अपना आंसर होगा. P means momentum, which is mass into velocity. So it is m1. Velocity is meter. Meter means L1. Meter per second. L1 t minus 1 raised to y. Force is m1. L1 t minus 2 raised to z. So m1 L0 t0 is equals to m raised to x. इधर का y ले लो डायरेक्टली प्लस y, इसका z ले लो प्लस z, एंड l रेज टू 2 into x is 2x, 1 into y is y plus z, t raised to minus 2x minus y minus 2z. Now equating power of same base. Power of same base. Okay, please copy till this, then I'm clearing this space to solve for it. X plus y plus z should be 1. 2x plus y plus z is 0. And minus 2x minus y minus 2z is everybody is done till this equation 1 2 3.
Yes, sir.
Now if you add 2 and 3, see what we get. 2x minus 2x will get cancelled, y and minus y will get cancelled, so z we are getting 0. Okay, put z in equation 1. So x plus y plus 0 is 1. Equation 4 I am writing. Z0 I am writing in second one. 2x plus y equal to 0. So fifth equation. Now I have to simplify these two to get x and y. So when you subtract this, minus 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 x, this will get cancelled, equals to 1. X becomes minus 1. So we got z as 0 and x as minus 1. X as minus 1. Now to get y, put in the first equation. Since x plus y plus z is 1, so minus 1 plus y plus 0 is 1, y equals to 2. Therefore our mass, which was dependent on energy, linear momentum and energy, linear momentum, which was, what was third case? Force.
Oh,
Force. Power was x, y, z. Z became 0. P we got 2. X we got minus 1. Minus 1 p raised to 2 is answer, which is given in. Yes, clear? थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट था ये, पर समझ गया बराबर? हेलो?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
yes.
Okay.
Tomorrow test is there.
Yes, yes. Tomorrow test is there. Yes. Same chapter. It will be just 25 MCQs. 12 o'clock. I will send the paper. You not 12 o'clock. What time is comfortable for you? 10 o'clock chalega? 10 o'clock?
Yes, sir.
10 o'clock I will send the paper so that you can do in 45 minutes and resend.
So you'll send on group.
I will send on the group. Then slowly we'll have that online test also. Can I clear now everything? One very
Yes, sir.
simple sums we are going to do. One must come in. P equals to alpha upon beta e raised to minus alpha z upon k theta. If P is pressure, Z is distance, K is Boltzmann constant, and theta is temperature, then dimensional formula of beta chahiye. Just remember, very important now. Power of E is also called as exponent, is always dimensionless. Is always dimensionless. So alpha Z upon K theta has no dimension. Therefore, alpha will be K theta upon Z ka dimension. You want actually beta ka dimension. Now, this term has no dimension. So, alpha upon beta is pressure ka dimension. So, beta will become alpha upon pressure ka dimension. That means I can write alpha is K theta upon Z and this pressure, because alpha is K theta upon Z pressure. K means Boltzmann constant. Its unit is joule per Kelvin. This unit is joule per Kelvin. Theta, you know, it is Kelvin. Z is distance and P is pressure. So Kelvin, Kelvin I can cancel. Now tell me joule ka dimension. Is it M1 L2 T minus 2? Hello?
Yes, sir.
And distance is L1. Pressure is force upon area. So it is M1 L minus 1 T minus 2. मैंने माइंड में फोर्स अपॉन एरिया किया. Force is M1 L1 T minus 2 upon L2, that will become L raised to minus 1. अभी देखो M1 कैंसिल होगा ना. L1 L minus 1 will be L0. So खाली ऊपर का L2 बचेगा. And T minus 2 भी numerator denominator cancel. So we get M0 L2 L0. Followed? M0
Yes,
L2 T0. Yes.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, लिख लो.
सर ये एक बार फिर से बताओ ना.
फिर से देख लो. सबसे पहले यू शुड रिमेंबर के E का पावर इज डायमेंशनलेस. ये याद रहेगा. हेलो, याद रहेगा क्या? E का पावर डायमेंशनलेस होता है.
Yes, sir.
तो अल्फा जेड के थीटा इज E का पावर, इट इज डायमेंशनलेस. कुछ नहीं लिखा है. सो अल्फा इज के थीटा अपॉन जेड का डायमेंशन. ठीक है. अब ये पूरा डायमेंशनलेस, then alpha upon beta should be matching to P. From this, beta is alpha upon P. Alpha we got K theta by Z upon P. K मतलब एक क्वांटिटी है, बोल्ट्जमैन कांस्टेंट. यूनिट बाहर रखना है आपको, जूल्स पर केल्विन. थीटा इज टेम्परेचर केल्विन. Z is distance, P is pressure. अभी तो शायद आ गया रहेगा, केल्विन केल्विन कैंसिल किया, जूल का डायमेंशन लिखा, डिस्टेंस का लिखा, प्रेशर का लिखा, आ गया।
Done, sir.
Okay. So that's all for today. Tomorrow you have test on